This is our Forex blog video for the week of November 10th, 2017, and there has been tremendous improvements to the trading system this week. I fixed a ton of older patterns to get rid of a lot of the losses that happen while maintaining and keeping as many of the past winning trades as possible. And the key to my system is mostly trading with the trend. However, many of our statistical tools where we see how far the market moves different times of the day, going back and averaging over the last 10 to 30 days, helps know when it's safe to look for counter trend trades. So you can see on Thursday here, the euro dollar has about a 15 pip profit, 30 pip, 30 pip, 15 or 20. Probably lost about 4 pips here, made 10, made 20, and then it ended the day up about 5 or 10 pips in this one. Here's the pound dollar. You can see a really nice big 40 pip win, 30 pip win, 10 pip loss, 5 pip win, 10 pip loss, another 10 pip loss, 20, 25 pip win, 5 pip win, 20 pip win, 15 pip win, 8 pip loss, 20 to 30 pip win, 20 pip win, 8 pip loss, 25 pip win, and lost about 10 pips on that last one. So the key is smaller losses, bigger wins. You can clearly see this is in a downtrend. It's going sideways. There's no bounce. So this is a very high probability trade. You can also see it's been going down a half a day, another day, a day here. So if you want to start looking for counter trend trades, there weren't any that day, but if you saw one, you can attempt to take them. Here's the dollar Swiss, about 20 pip win, 50 pip win, 40 pip win, 50 pip win, 10 pip win, 8 pip loss, 15 pip win here. And you can also draw fibs on there yourself. Our system uses Fibonacci areas. This one didn't quite hit that fib area, but when you see any kind of drawing tool line up with one of our buys and sells, you're going to have increased odds of that trade working. Here's the dollar yen. Nice 40 pip win, 10 pip win, 15 pip win, 8 pip, probably break even here, 10, 12 pip loss, 30 pip win, 5 pip win, 10 pip loss, 10 pip win. And it doesn't catch all the trades. You know, it looks like it might have hit this fib target down here. Not quite. If you got a buy signal here after it was going down, it had plenty of time to go back up. It's just kind of slowly going down here. If there's a buy signal here, it would have been pretty good. We're going to go to the next one here. The Australian dollar, 5 pip win, 20 pip win. This one almost got stopped out, but it didn't. And if you want, you can also get into trades here when it comes near a stop but doesn't hit it. You can always add to your position here and make a little bit more on those trades. It happens oftentimes where it almost touches it and then it goes your way. Same thing happened here. About a 20 pip win there. Here we have a 5 pip win, 8 pip loss, 15, 20 pip win, 15 pip win, pretty much break even, a 10 pip win. This one, 20 pip win, 25 pip win, 8 pip loss, 20 pip win. This trade here, I probably wouldn't have taken it. Just kind of the longer term trend was down. It had a 2-wave pullback. And these sells right here are really high probability because if you draw your fibs off this last wave, you'll see the market made a double top at a fib target. So, you know, the first trade didn't work, the second trade worked really well. And when you learn to count waves and you have a high probability trade like this, you're going to know not to take certain trades. In the future, you can see about a 10 pip loss here, another 10 pip loss, break even. And then it made about 15 pips there. Here are the pound yen the previous day. Loss, break even, small win, loss, small win, 25 pip win, 5 pip win, 10 pip win. And you know, this trade right here, the market's been going down a long time, and when you find a trade that seems to be going your way, breaking new highs, you might want to be a little bit cautious getting into trades that aren't at Fibonacci profit targets. This is a good example. This is a little bit early. These are higher probability places to get in. So if you draw your fibs on there, and some of our patterns don't use fibs, you can decide to pass on that. And if you're in this trade, just kind of wait till the profit target to get hit. avoid a loss and make an extra 10-15 pips on your trade. Here's the Australian yen, 5 pip win, 5 pip win, 30 pip win, 20 pip win, small 2 or 3 pip win, 10 pip win, a loss. And you know, again, this is a counter trend trade. When I'm taking counter trend trades, I much prefer getting into trades at Fibonacci profit target. So on this first wave, there was a buy signal right here. You know, as you can see, and that made it a little bounce. Getting into a trade, this is one I probably should have looked into and fixed, and taken that off the chart. Here, 25 pip win. Here we have a 10 pip win, small 5 or 10 pip win, loss, 10 pip loss, 5 pip win, 10 pip win, 25 pip win. And it was pretty dead on Friday, so I'm very happy to that there was only one trade in this. There's a lot of ways I try to avoid taking trades and when the market's not moving and it's choppy. Here you have a 5 pip loss, 10 pip loss, another 10 pip loss, another 10 pip loss, small break even here, 15, 20 pip win, 20 pip win. Here on this trade, you can see a nice 30 pip win, 15 pip win, small loss, small win here. And again, when the markets make new highs or new lows, you're much better off waiting for these fib targets. You know, so you can decide to pass on certain trades or also trade smaller. If you normally trade one lot per trade, do a fraction of a lot or a half a lot, unless they're at fib targets. On Friday, a nice 20 pip win, 10 pip win. And here is the euro pound. The market was kind of choppy here, but small win, small win, small win, small win, nice 10 pip win, 15, 25 pip win, and another 15 pip win here at the end.